Good morning, listeners and viewers of Opemsuo Radio. I go by the name Vina Botti. I am in class 1. I am 5 years old. I attend school at Eagles Educational Center. I am here to recite a poem. The title of my poem is I Am a Girl of Destiny. I was born with gifts. I was born with talent. I was born to win. I was born to lead. I was born to excel. I am a girl of destiny. Thank you.
Good morning, listeners of Opemsuo Radio. My name is Annabelle and
Opemsuo.
I am in class 1. I am attending school at Eagle Bridge School.
Okay.
I am here to recite a poem. The title of my poem is Right of a Child. Right to help care. Oh yes, it's my right. Right to good children. Oh yes, my right. Right to balance time. Oh yes, it's my right. Right to play and jump. Oh yes, it's my right. Right to education. Oh yes, it's my right. Right to protection. Oh yes, it's my right. Right to have a name. Oh yes, it's my right. Right to be in love. Oh yes, it's my right. Say no to child labor. Oh yes, it's my right. Thank you.
Good morning, listeners and viewers of Opemsuo Radio. I attend school at Eagles Educational Center.
Opemsuo.
I am in Basic 5. I go by the name Bless Nabed New Love. I am here to recite a poem. The title of my poem is Ghana is my happy home. Ghana is my happy home. Ghana is the land of gold and glory. Ghana is the land of riches and beauty. Ghana is the land of great warriors and champions. Ghana is the land of excellence and power. Yes, Ghana is my happy home. Thank you.
Good morning, listeners and viewers of Opemsuo Radio. I go by the name Grace Enchi. I am in class 5. I am 10 years old. I attend school at Eagles Educational Center. I am here to recite a poem. The title of my poem is Thank You, Dear Parents. Thank you, dear parents. I thank you for being there for me. I thank you for taking care of me. I thank you for protecting me. I thank you for loving me. I thank you for sacrificing for me. I thank you for paying my fees. I thank you for feeding me. I thank you for advising me. Thank you.
Good morning, listeners and viewers of Opemsuo Radio. I go by the name Emmanuel Asapmeriafe. I am in class 5. I am 11 years old. I attend school at Eagles Educational Center. I am here to recite a poem. The title of my poem is Nature. Nature. Nature is so good and don't make us rude. It gives us food to eat and give us shade to reduce it. It is so green and help us stay green with trillions of trees and staining cliff. So it's our duty to protect the nature. Thank you.
Good morning, listeners and viewers of Opemsuo Radio. I go by the name Hamdia Andan. I am in class 4. I attend school at Eagles Educational Center. I am here to recite a poem. The title of my poem is The Great Eagle. I am the great eagle, the king of all birds. I fly higher than all birds. I am unique and brave, nothing scares. I am the great eagle. I have vision. Yes, I have foresight. I don't follow the crowd. I stand out to be counted. I am the great eagle. I refuse easy life. I am hardworking. I don't accept half measures. I pay the price for what I want. Thank you.
Me pamacha mama machio Opemsuo tiefo ne ahwefo. Edin a meje so a me konda ho Princess Blay. Me ko school Eagles Educational Center. Me gina penu. Marensem a me bekin. Ya to ni din say me mangana. O mangana. Otwedi amponyankopom endi ye na bro. Ona masase ya so ehwa ye ne o mapa bebre. Ebi ni fama gudi ebi ti say sika koko denchembuo puto bibrebuo ne de ekeka ho. Eba ne sign no oman a ne pawom say AC apinie. Ewom so obarima beye bidie. Nanso ambeye nyina medamwase manuasi.
Good morning, listeners and viewers of Opemsuo Radio. We are here to recite a poem. The title of our poem is Why We Are Eagles. Many of my friends ask, many parents also ask, and even you are asking me, why Eagles Educational Center? We are eagles because eagles are the king of birds. We are eagles because eagles are visionary. We are eagles because eagles are industrials. We are eagles because eagles are leaders. We are eagles because eagles are wise. We are eagles because eagles are courageous. Certainly, eagles are champion. Ampa yeye okodiemba. Ampa yeye kukodo forma. Thank you.
Good morning, listeners and viewers of Opemsuo Radio. My name is Amoawisi J. I attend Eagles Educational Center. I am in Basic 8. I'm going to tell the story on how Ghana gained her independence.
Okay, then let's
Ghana's independence was a joint effort from many individuals and groups. It started in the 1920s by nationalist movements like the National Congress of British West Africa.
Opemsuo.
Then in the 1940s, the famous Big Six took center stage as leaders who pushed for Ghana's independence. Some of these famous leaders were Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, Emmanuel Obechebi Lamte, Ebenezer Akua-Addo, and Edward Akufo-Addo. Dr. Kwame Nkrumah founded the Convention People's Party in 1949 under the motto self-government now. A year later, in 1950, he launched the Positive Action Campaign, which was to pressurize the colonial government into granting Ghana's independence. After some other efforts, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah won the 1954 general elections and became Ghana's first prime minister. He used that position to force the British government into granting Ghana's independence. Then, on 6 March 1957, the British colonial government granted Ghana's independence, and this was celebrated on the Black Star Square in Accra. And this is how Ghana gained her independence. Thank you.
Good morning, listeners and viewers of Opemsuo Radio. Adwa Safa Eje is my name. I am 9 years old. I am in Basic 6. I attend school at Eagles Educational Center. I am here to describe the Ghana national flag. The Ghana national flag was designed by Mrs. Todosia Salome Oko, a Ghanaian, to replace the flag of the United Kingdom upon the attainment of independence in 1957. The flag of Ghana consists of the colors red, gold, and green in horizontal stripes, with a 5-pointed black star in the center of the gold stripe. The red represents the blood of those who died in the struggle for our country's independence. The gold represents our country's mineral wealth, such as gold, diamond, and bauxite. The black star symbolizes the lone star of African freedom. Thank you.
Next, N is for notable and willing to share. U is for understanding and really cares. R is for reliable right from start. S is for sincere with a loving heart. E is for energetic, so much to be old. And a special one more than good.
Nananum. Ejane enanum. Martin Buafua. Mweshiem ewaha. Eni adofunu. Me pamacho. Me mamo. Achi. Mia mi jinahe. Mediane ofebia gloria. Nene die. Me betre kwanya. Adowa. Faswa. Ebaye. Ane. Adowa eye amamre asa. Jana nanom akanfo ena esa. Na yeka akanfo a. Asante kotokwa. Ukum apema. Apembeba. Aya krabwa. Eye kotoko. Enso ka hubio. Na wodi asemu akotene. Ane. Obi ebebisa se. Eye den krana. Jana nanom akanfo. Enya sa asan wasui. Na ehefa krana. Jana nanumi. Enya sa ase. Efriye. Ampa. Titi wobika. Na titi. Ewu wobichire. Jana nanom akanfo. Aba kwasema. Efa sa ase hu. Chire se. Onyema brewo tituwa. Jare obia. Ema ehonsem. Epeye deja. Ewo akan memu ha. Onyema brewo tituwa. Yare mpaso. Na nanom abosom. Danedi. Fa kwanchire so. Chire se. Adise. Wenya aboa adowa. Moja. Ansa. Na ho atson. Nesenti. Emma akofua. Onkuku ejuru. Ete wonhu. Egu kwa ebrotobi mu. Dini ye yanko. Akofue yanko. Dikonya aboa adowa.
Opemsuo.
Enumunusu. Befi. Akofue di aboa adowa. Petru fia pe. Na odini siwo. Na hwe. Awasem ne se. Aboa adowa. Hyase. Nante. Nante mwasobi. Ni ahuru shurunkubi. Otu. Na watia. Otu. Na watia. Emani padoma. Etwehia wonu nyina. Ni akofo no. Ehyase. Esinyan. Aboa adowa. Nante mwaso no. Ni na ahuru shurunku ni bi. Ampa omudie ni gie. Ni nyomtuo. Esinyan. Ema ne beye asa. Eni jene nyom tonimu na. Emmohema bro tituwa. When ye ne den. Enunti edisa ase. Eto aboa adowa. Efri se. Inya sa ase. Efri aboa adowa enchen. Yase sa ase. Ewo bra. Onyini bi ebodwa. Ama se. Yadi onyini bi. Esiso. Yetinsa sa ase. Ewo bra. Obinso. Eye na eyi. Empo se obinso eware a yes yetu sa ase ewa asie sie hwefanso a yes sa ase ewa asie monde nanum aye hye nanum deyenti ena mama ya sa asasrinkun ena mama ya sa asonwasue nya nanum ya mama ni yo nya nanum ya damase mepamacho manoto metamase
Opemsuo.